floor is completed. So this side here will be the door. Fire pit will be going right in that corner. And then this is the hole. The hole is 28 inches that way, 43 inches that way. It's a big hole. Right, size 12 foot. Boom, boom, boom. Roll a joint and smoke a joint on the new floor. Alright guys, I'm sitting in what would be the hole. I told you I was gonna go a big hole. I got some, I think it's Death Bubba. Look very purple. I did put a cubby hole in. Let's check that out. So yeah, that's going to be the door. And then once I get it finished, it'll be much easier to get up. But that'll open up. And then, okay, well, there'll be 2 milk crates in here. I can't use a full milk crate because it will be too low. I'm going to have to cut a milk crate down. But yeah, a cooler, right? Keep your Stealth Pepsis cold, all that good stuff. And then when you're not using it, it's just hole in the floor. So yeah, next step is the door side and then the other 3 walls. Obviously I'm running out of time. Well, I'm not even running out of time. I mean, it is what it is. I get it when I get it, but you know, January 15th, I'd like to see it on the lake. We'll see. We'll see what happens. I think I need 40 more 2x4s. It's like $175 in 2x4s. So it's not too bad. But, you know, so if you feel like donating to the Munch Fund, buy me a coffee, buy me a 2x4. Donate $5, you bought a 2x4. I'll put your name on that 2x4 and everything. Just tell me that it's for a 2x4. Yeah, guys, we'll do some more filming and stuff for the wall end of it. And, but yeah, we'll edit this up and get it on the old YouTube for you. Obviously, you know that because you're watching it. Thanks for watching. Smoke weed every day. Hashtag Stealth Camping Alliance. Hashtag Ice Hut. Weed on the ice. It's coming. It's coming, guys. It's coming.